This one is about TTC, the freaking TTC. Yo, woke up bright in the Toronto late. Moose on the move, feeling just right. Walks to the station without hesitation. Hopes for a smooth ride, his morning's ambition. TTC is a roller coaster, that's no lie. Delays ahead, makes us wonder why. In Toronto ways the game we play, oh my. Patience is our virtue, let's give it a try. No crackhead battles, just delay rattles. Moose stands tall amidst travel hassles. Waits on the platform with a grin so warm. In Toronto he muses, delays are the norm. Weekend hits, TTC quits, fix at night. Ha, no fits, they wait for the sun, think it's fun, leaving us asking what have you done?